So the topic of my essay that I'm going to inform you about tonight is on medical marijuana, and it's about the uses, the pros, and the cons of it. And medical marijuana actually refers to using the whole unprocessed plant as a whole or basic extract to treat a disease or symptom. And so the goal of my speech is to inform the readers of all the pros, cons, and uses, anything else you need to know about it. So as you might know, or you might not know this, but medical marijuana is already legal in about half of the U.S. states, and the rest of them are kind of lenient on making it legal, and there's a few reasons that I'll go into later on, some of the cons. And do you think Nebraska should legalize medical marijuana? This essay is going to explain to you all the great things medical marijuana can do for individuals in need. So if they're terminally ill, if they have seizures, anything like that. So that can really help people like that out. There have been a lot of studies done to show that medical marijuana can relieve migraines, chronic pain, and a lot of other issues as well as those things that I already have mentioned. I'm speaking on the subject because I just find it important that people who really need this, that they can have it, because from personal experience, I know someone who, her son is about, I think 4 years old, around that age, and he has really bad seizures, and they actually had to move to Colorado because it's not legal here, and it is in Colorado. And so they moved there, and since they moved there and he's been given those doses of medical marijuana, he has been so much better and shown so much improvement on his seizures and just basically his physical activity, everything like that. It's just amazing how much better he's actually doing. It's crazy to think about, but I really think that if people use it for medical use and only medical use, that it can be a really helpful thing. I'm definitely against people using marijuana for leisure activity. I mean, anything besides medical use. I don't agree with any of that though. So the first main point I'm going to discuss is the uses of medical marijuana. The second main point is the pros, the positives that it can do, and the third main point is going to be kind of about some of the cons, as in why some of the states do not want to use it. Excuse me. So the different uses of medical marijuana. So like I said, medical marijuana can be used as a medicine. So anybody who's having neurological problems,